take a step out, get some air now, let your edge out. To some iceberg, you'll be heavy in my mind. Can you get the heck out? I need rest now, got me bummed out. You baby, baby, baby. I've been on my empty mind, shit.
It's officially the second shift, which basically means Alan's nap time is over and it's time to get through the rest of the day. I have a few things that I need to take care of, and it's pretty late because he was fighting his nap. Like, he literally did not want to go to sleep, so we have a late start. It's like 5:15 now. He still hasn't eaten lunch. We gotta get moving with the rest of our day. Come on, buddy. You tired? Mommy had to wake you up. You can't sleep all day. Okay. No, I'm sorry. I know, I had to wake you up. I'm so sorry. You have to get up. What a girl butt. What? Get out of your nose. Ew, did you wipe it on my face? Nasty. Oh, yeah, wake up. Some food, and tonight we eat pasta with broccoli, your favorites. Okay. Say hi. Say hello. No, he doesn't want to talk to y'all. What are you looking for? I know you're tired. I know. Everything's stressing you out. I know. I gotta warm you up some food. Sweet potato and coconut curry. I wonder if you'll like this. You want to try it? Let's try it. I know, but I can't hold you and open. Let me open it first, and then I pick you back up, I promise. I like quick and easy meals for him, especially during lunch, and Organics Happy Baby is my favorite brand for him. Usually, come, I know, you're so tired. Usually we do the Happy Tots pouches. Love them for him. These little food things, they have 2 full servings of veggies. All you do is pop it in the microwave. And this one is sweet potato and coconut curry. And it has diced potatoes, which he loves potatoes, cauliflower, and spinach. Can you not show them my bra, please? So we're gonna see how he reacts to this. I know he loves the ravioli one. What color? What color is that? Is that purple? Purple. He is so tired. Like, he does not want to be bothered, but he gotta get up, because ain't no way you staying up to midnight. I'm talking about me. Take me with you. I'm going there, you're on there, on everywhere. Hopefully you guys can hear me over Miss Rachel. Yes, you're everywhere, bye. I don't think that chicken is gonna be defrosted anytime soon, so I'm about to just place a new order for one on Instacart. So he did like it. He was a little weird about the chickpeas, but he did eat, I want to say, like 80% of it, so that is success for me. He does like sweet potato, so I'm not surprised, but definitely check out this brand if you have a toddler. I know this is 9 months plus, but I mean, he can eat it too. It's just for lunch. He eats plenty of solids, and right now he is munching down on his goldfish. He loves goldfish, but this is like the Happy Tot pouches I give him, because Alan used to like not mess with meat. He's still a little iffy about it, but he will eat it, and I was concerned with his protein intake. He also doesn't really like beans. He'll just eat like grains all day, rice, pasta, you know, those type of things, and then he likes dairy, cheese, eggs, etc., etc. So anyway, I got these Happy Tot pouches. I get all of the kinds, but I especially like to have the fiber and the protein in the house in case, 1, he gets a little constipated, but 2, I know these are jam-packed with protein. I think like 3 grams. So he usually has one for breakfast and for lunch, or breakfast and dinner, or, you know, it depends. It depends on what's going on. So really love this brand, and I think it's great for your toddlers. I just placed the order on Instacart because this meat that we have here is frozen, so I'm just gonna pop it in the fridge and cook it for tomorrow. I feel like you guys are so low. Like, I gotta vent. And I'm sure you guys can hear Miss Rachel in the background. So usually during lunchtime, I'll let him kind of just chill in his high chair with his snack, his TV time, let him relax while I just try to get my mind right for the end of the day, whether that's like cleaning chicken, doing the dishes, pretty much everything I'm about to do right now and just try to do as much as possible. Usually his dad goes to the gym around this time, so it's still me and Alan thugging it out until he gets home. And then once he gets home and showered, he like jumps in full force, whether that's cooking, cleaning, taking care of Alan, whatever I need him to do. I think we're gonna unload this dishwasher, start the dishes, so by the time we finish dinner, there's not as many dishes to wash.
Only been a few hours, but it felt like days. Only been days, but it felt like months. Been gone for a year, only know like once. Life moves fast when you do what you want. At this time, doing what I want. Hope you doing what you want.
I just got a package sent to my house. I have no idea what it is because I didn't buy anything. So let me see. Usually my PR is sent to my PO box, but sometimes they might, you know, accidentally send me something here. Oh, it's from Church's Chicken. Is it chicken? Wait, what? Church's Chicken just sent me a PR package. I know that's right. Come on, food. This is so funny to me. I don't know why. I think because I've never gotten PR package from a fast food restaurant before. It don't smell like chicken. Wait. That's not real. I was like, is that a chicken wing in plastic? It's a chicken wing ornament. What is this? Okay, a pepper ornament, cup holder sleeve thing, and a t-shirt. This is such big back behavior. Okay, the groceries are here. Miss Girl felt some type of way because I ain't answered the phone because she didn't know where she was going. First of all, the pin will take you directly where you need to go. Secondly, I have a 1-year-old I'm chasing after. I can't be super glued to my phone 24/7. Just follow the pin and you gonna make it. She was like, it's just so dark out here. What you want me to do? I don't own the apartment complexes. If I did, I wouldn't be living in the apartment complex, right? I would be living in a nice big old house running the apartment complex. I can't do nothing about the lights, sis. Open your eyes. I don't know. We got a big old pack of thinly sliced chicken breast. I don't think we need that much, but we'll just portion it off and put the rest in the freezer. Yeah, I'm gonna just do 4 pieces and then I'm gonna store the other 2 for a later situation. But I need to get this chicken clean.
My new bitch look like Tyler Perry, but she don't love me, she too scary. My old bitch fun like Jackie Brown. I wanna know if she too down. Will you be my leading lady?
Yeah, I believe it's already 7. I don't know if you guys can hear him, but he's doing his phonics song with Miss Rachel. Honestly, like, I really don't like to give him a lot of screen time. But Miss Rachel has genuinely helped him with his speech so much, and that he can recognize letters and know their pronunciation. He's not even 2 yet. He doesn't talk as much as he's supposed to, I guess. That's the reason why he's in speech therapy. But I feel like he's doing pretty good. He is a TV kid. I was a TV kid. I'm not going to lie. But we don't leave him there 24/7, obviously. We play with him. We interact with him. But we're just 2 parents trying to make it. And right now I have to cook. His dad is still not home. So I have to do what I have to do. So let me show you guys what that usually looks like. So the opening to our kitchen is literally the perfect size to his playpen. So he has a little doorway there, as you guys can see. And he'll just climb in and kind of just stand next to me as I cook or clean or whatever I'm doing. And he gets to his toys. And he usually is pretty chill. We love the convenience of that. So sometimes my days look a little different. Sometimes I'm not in charge of cooking and his dad is in the mood to cook. And sometimes I'm just filming, I'm working. But I got my period today, and for those of you who don't know, maybe you're new here or whatever, I have endometriosis, and y'all, them first 2 days, a monster. So since today is day 1, I'm just like not in the mood to like sit down and do pretty Instagram videos, but I'm still vlogging for y'all, so I feel like that means something. I hope it means something to you. I am going to cook this chicken, then make the sauce and all the things, and then dinner will be served.
I made this.
No, he didn't. They saw me cook the whole thing. I know, I have a big pimple on my nose. Don't look at it. Why you look at it?
It was on your nose. It was on your on the side of your lip.
No. What? So I got another one?
It's right there.
Where?
I'm not gonna touch it though. Rudolph.
Hey.
You dropped a piece of chicken. Okay.
He's like, stop cutting me Alright, so we need diaper genie bags, laundry pod, laundry pods.
Well, them eyes getting low. You alright?
I need deodorant. Laundry pods, diaper genie bags, deodorant. What else? Is there anything else we ran out of?
Baby soap.
Okay. Cheese. 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 Did you see him?
Mm-hmm.
Wait. You gonna go get a bath? You gonna get a bath, stinky butt with your stinky feet. Yeah, stinky feet. This is where Dad fully takes over. Bath, put him to bed, all the things. I just need to clean up.
I want a contract, girl, no, maybe. In the meantime, it's some me time. Crib by the beach like Odell. Over my killers don't tell. Shadow my mom, cause I New York the shelf. Now my bitch is Chanel. Will you be my leading lady? I wanna contract, girl, no, maybe. In the meantime, get some me time. I don't know if you know what you want. Only been a few hours, but it feel like days. Only been days, but it feel like months. Been gone for a year, only know like once. Life move fast and you do what you want.
I'll make some tea so I can start winding down and get ready for bed. I'm gonna be drinking the Yogi Soothing Caramel Bedtime tea to relax my mind and body.
Privacy. Get out.
Spider-Man PJs are so cute. His favorite blanket I got him for Christmas because he loves Minions and he loves this like material blanket. So look how cute is the little Minion blanket.
Hey,
What's up?
come here.
See, now he needs me. Dad is doing the dad thing. As you can see, he's giving Ellen a bath and he's always in charge of bath and bedtime. They read some books, they do last minute play, you know, all those things. And I get to just kind of take a moment to breathe. Something that I recently started doing, but I'm just kind of changing the routine, is I started like journaling, writing in a devotional. Usually in the morning, I'll read my Bible first thing in the morning, write in a devotional, write in my like gratitude book. And then at night, I'll do my best case scenario journal. It started to become like too much in the morning, especially when I like have a million things to do and I can't get to everything. I started to feel bad. So what I do have more control of is what I can do at night. So I read the Bible in the morning. First thing, I have to get my mind right. I have to make sure God gets in my head before I do. Right now, I'm actually starting the reading the Bible in 365 days since it's the beginning of the year. So I always take care of that first thing in the morning. But what I'm going to try to do this year is actually do like the journaling and stuff at night to kind of like reflect on the day, quiet my mind, if that makes sense. So I'm a stationery queen, okay? And majority of these books will be linked down below, but I have my 2025 master planner, and this is actually from a company from my best friend Alyssa and her mom, Shireen. And then I'm going to do my 100 days of faith over fear devotional. And then this is also from Shireen this is her built for this life like journal. It's pretty much like how to show gratitude, manifestation, things of that nature. So I just like to reflect on whatever I'm grateful for. I think it's really important to think of something you're grateful for, even if you're just feeling like the world is against you. So love that. And then this is just a plain journal you can get from Target, just any plain journal. And what I started doing is best case scenario, which essentially just means it's training my mind to think of what I want out of the next day, right? Best case scenario, how does the day go? So those are all the things that I take care of before bed. Tomorrow is Friday. I need to edit this video you guys are actually watching and post it the same day. And ideally, I need to at least film about like 2 reels / TikToks. Best case scenario for tomorrow. Oh my gosh, I haven't wrote in my best case scenario since December 16th. I skid on that. We're in talks with a brand for a last minute campaign. So best case scenario, they accept the rate. Oh, my payment comes through for a previous brand partnership. That would be a great day. I like that. Next, we are going to write in our devotional. I'm going to go ahead and tap into this and we'll be back. And finally, my gratitude journal. It has some affirmations at the beginning that I usually read that I really like. And then I just go in with whatever I'm grateful for. All right. That feels good to have completed. I feel good. First of all, can we get in how cute my little mug and coaster is? Like, so cute. But I'm gonna drink my tea and get ready for bed. Thank you guys so much for spending the second half of the day with me. This is typically what my everyday is like, and usually I would think this is boring and people wouldn't want to watch it, but a lot of people just kind of want to see what my day-to-day is as a mommy. So hope you enjoyed it, and if you did, make sure you subscribe and give this video a thumbs up if you haven't done that already, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Good night.